If you love delicious Tex-Mex.
And you know in the South, we love things that are deep fried. So today we're making chicken chimichangas. So come on in.
Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And I am in the mood for something deep fried.
Me too. And today we have something that is absolutely delicious.
Yes.
And it has all those yummy ingredients that you and I love. We're going to make chicken chimichangas. And for those of you who don't know what a chimichanga is, it is basically a deep fried burrito.
And deep fried is my thing.
That's right. It's our thing.
In the South, I am from the South, as you can tell.
Sometimes you just crave a deep fried burrito, and
Yes.
This is so good, you're going to love it. So we have our chicken out here. Now we just had some leftover chicken, and you could get rotisserie chicken, you could get canned chicken, you could make your own chicken, and you're just going to shred that up with a fork.
Right.
And it's pretty simple to do.
That's what we did.
That's right. We just shred that all up. It's all ready to go. And so we're going to add in a few things before we start building our chimichangas.
And we got cheese. You know how much we like cheese.
That's right.
Oh.
Anytime a recipe has cheese in it, we're happy.
Yes.
So,
Deep fried and cheese.
deep fried and cheese. That's right. So we're going to add in, we've got a half a cup of chopped onion, and we're going to add that in. We've got about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of just taco seasoning. And we've got just the Ortega taco seasoning. You can make your own seasoning. We're just going to make this easy because we know that they like easy.
I do.
We like easy. So we're just going to sprinkle some of that in there. And of course, our other favorite ingredient
Yes.
is our Rotel. And we drained the Rotel. And this is just going to add a little bit of kick inside that chicken. And we're just going to mix this together and get our inside of our burrito filling all mixed up here. It smells good, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah, we used to, when we were kids, we used to ride down our bicycles. My cousin Tawny and I would go down and we'd go to this little stand, and they made these deep fried burritos, and they were so good. And we would go every summer. We would ride down there and get ourselves a soda pop and a deep fried burrito. So you can make your own homemade tortillas, which takes a lot of time, and most people just want to run down to the store and have some tortillas. So we just got some La Banderita tortillas, and we're just going to use that today. These are the extra large burrito size, so it makes it easy to roll. And
easier to eat.
Easier to eat. We've got some Colby Jack cheese and some cheddar cheese, and we're going to roll them up, and I'm going to show you. Just grab me one of those little tortillas out of there. Those big tortillas out of there.
Out of there. There you go.
They're good size, easy to fold. So you're going to put that down there, and I'm going to get my hands in there.
I'm going to turn this around so we don't let them go off on the floor.
Yeah, don't drop those on the floor. And what you want to do is you want to pile that towards the middle. Okay, so I've got a little bit of chicken, and I put a little bit of cheddar cheese in there. We're going to take some Colby Jack and put a sliver of our Colby Jack chunk. You can do slices however you'd like. You're going to take your ends in. You're going to fold each end in, and then you're going to fold this side of the burrito, and you want to keep it as tight as possible because you don't want that oil to seep in there. So you may have to tuck those in a little bit. If for some reason it doesn't want to seal, you can take a little bit of flour and water and create yourself a paste here that will help it stick. And you'll do that face side down. And we will do another one just like that. All right, so we've got our vegetable oil. We just used 100% pure vegetable oil. We've got it heated up to, this says 360 on here. You want to make sure it's at least 350 degrees. So it's good to fry. And I'll set that aside. And we're going to take our first burrito, and we're going to put it seam side down right in there, and I'm just going to hold it for just a second. It's only going to take a minute or so to brown up on that side. It's perfect temperature, and I'm going to do one more right next to it. Hold it down for just a second. You can use whatever kind of oil you want, and it doesn't take very long. You'll see it starts browning right away. And so we're just going to brown this other side. We got ourselves a cooling rack here with some foil beneath, and we're just gonna place these on top of here and let them drain a little bit while we cook up the other ones.
Like we said, we love deep fried.
And we're gonna do all these, and then we're gonna show you what it looks like. Wow, this looks and smells so good.
It does, look at that.
Oh, yum, yum.
Pretty.
Guacamole and sour cream and a little Pico de Gallo. And we're good to go. We're gonna break into this.
Let's
Look
check
at
this out.
this.
Ready?
I'm ready.
You got sour cream, guacamole.
Oh, yeah. Ready?
I'm gonna get the sour cream.
Mm-hmm. Yum. That's good. Very soft.
I like
and
mixing the sour cream and the guacamole together.
making yourself a
Yes.
whole mixture of yumminess.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Really good.
As Steve would say,
Is this the best chicken chimichanga? If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks for watching and liking.
and subscribing.
And don't forget to follow us. All of our social media links are right down below this video, along with the recipe.
And check us out at shotgunred.com.
Yes, we've got all kinds of goodies there. We got dolls and DVDs, and don't forget our new cookbook. And it's
We have
available.
another cookbook coming out this year.
We do. We have another cookbook. And join our free membership because we have all kinds of fun things happening in 2021, and you're going to want to hear about them first. And if you join our free membership, we will let you know about it right up front. So we'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye. All right.
Ready?
I'm going to eat some more of this. This
Yes.
is yummy. I'm going to dig in.
Well, that's Shishi and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.